Church, you may rise your eyes.
Nothing issue.
Never mind that. It's time for praises.
You don't trust me?
I don't trust anybody.
My body, they suit me.
Everybody sit down. That's enough. Sit down, have your seat.
Let's have it.
Time for Bible studies.
It's about to go down.
Bible studies. Everybody, open your book. First, look here first. Chapter 1, verse 1. Everywhere. Quickly.
Hey!
And Jesus Christ jumped over the Red Sea. He be crossed the Red Sea.
Wait to jump over the Bible when? I'm not going to jump like that now.
2 hours later.
Wife. Oh, Elisha no be their wife.
A few moments later.
Hey! My photo. You dey hear from my parish. Photo. You dey hear from my parish. They know they hear from my parish. If I'm reading, listen to the word of God. No yawning. You receive beating.
Jesus.
Sorry, sir.
2 hours later.
First Matthew chapter 2 verse 1.
Jesus.